Okay, and our third use case, identifying fraudulent merchants.
Yeah, this is a kind of a interesting one. So, from a merchant standpoint, you have two different sides of it. You have issuers and acquirers, and it's getting increasingly difficult for acquirers to identify fake merchants that are being set up. It's so easy these days for anyone to set up a storefront and say that they're selling iPads, and they're selling an iPad for $10, and then someone decides like, oh, I never got my iPad. What happened? So it's a problematic on both sides. So acquirers who are signing up these merchants have to be able to catch these fraudulent merchants, which could be actually quite difficult. And then it's even harder for issuers. So they see this transaction come across the network and they have to identify, this transaction with a limited data set and say, hey, is this a fraudulent merchant? And so AI can help with this on both sides. It can assess the merchants, build the risk profile, correlate data from different aspects to say, okay, this is likely fraud, or from an issuer side, they can add friction to the process and confirm with someone that they wanted to actually make this transaction, or connect with other issuers and say, hey, what have you heard from this merchant? Have you seen this before? Does this work? And so AI can really help identify things like this and make this process easier.